If you are one of those who says that there are no fun places in Ibadan, well, I am here to tell you that there are many fun places, only that you are yet to discover them. Follow, like and share my page for as many updates as you can enjoy. Have you experienced tranquility and entertainment here in Ibadan? One of the many places to do so is at Royal Entertainment Cruise at Eleyele. You will discover ultimate escape with the boat cruise, where you can cruise through serene waters of the eleyele lake. There is also live entertainment, and you can partake in a myriad of outdoor activities like paddle boats to enjoying the serene waterside. This aqua tourism center in Ibadan promises a rejuvenating experience like no other. There is the lush greenery, which offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. You can also embark on leisurely boat rides on paddle boats or opt for exhilarating experiences on speedboats, jet skis and kayaks. In addition to the water activities, you can indulge in exciting outdoor pursuits such as paintballing, hoverboard fun, and snooker matches. This aqua tourism center also features a comfortable lounge area with VIP section and regular suites for relaxation and unwinding after an action-packed day. So, you can see that Ibadan is also fun. Whether you are seeking a leisurely boat pedaling session, an adventurous kayak tour, or fun water sports with enticing gift prizes, there is something for everyone, with a diverse range of activities including trade fairs, karaoke nights, and games for singles and couples. This destination promises a memorable experience for all ages. Experience the perfect blend of tranquility and entertainment here in Ibadan.